Hi, my name is Justin Smith. I'm the Public Information Officer with the Idaho Transportation Department in District 5. ITD would like to thank everyone who participated in the I-15 US-26 Blackfoot Interchange, Exit 93, project in-person open house hosted at Blackfoot Performing Arts Center and online on the project website in August of 2023. In this video, we will discuss the most common comments we received from you and go over the next steps in the project. Before we go over the results of the open house, let's do a quick review of the design options ITD is considering for the Exit 93 interchange. ITD is evaluating design options that will improve interchange operations and safety in a cost-effective way, address future growth, maximize ITD's ability to perform routine maintenance without major impacts to traffic, minimize traffic impacts during construction, and minimize the acquisition of right-of-way. ITD presented two design options at the open house, which meet the evaluation criteria. The design options included an improved diamond interchange, which is similar to the current interchange design, and a single-point urban interchange, or SPUI, which includes a central traffic signal that directs all turning movements from a single point, allowing opposing left turns to be made simultaneously. As a reminder, the design options can be found on the project website at itdprojects.org/I-15 corridor. Several hundred community members participated in person and online, and ITD received many comments. Key themes included: most participants support the project and understand the need to improve the interchange. Most participants are in favor of the improved diamond design option. Several participants mentioned that the improved diamond design would be an easy transition to use for locals due to its similarity to the current interchange configuration. The longer ramps were an appreciated improvement for merging on and off of the interstate, and they also liked that it was a more cost-effective way to improve both traffic flow and safety. Some participants had additional comments related to the project area, such as changing the speed limits, installing traffic lights in additional locations, and encouraging ITD to complete existing construction on the interstate before initiating new construction. You may be wondering what's next in the process. The design team will now review feedback gathered through the open houses and begin working to develop a draft final design plan. Once this draft plan is completed, ITD will present the design to the community again for feedback before the project advances to construction. The next open house is anticipated to take place in 2024. Thank you for participating in the development of this project. Your participation in the design process plays an invaluable role in helping ITD develop improvements that meet the needs of our community and area travelers. ITD will continue to keep the public informed as this project moves forward. To continue to stay informed about this project and other improvements along the I-15 corridor, please visit itdprojects.org/I-15 corridor or use the contact information appearing on your screen.